Dr. Kimberly Smith presents the pivotal role of the FDA's compliance review process, which meticulously supervises clinical trials to safeguard participant safety and uphold the integrity of data. This process stands as a cornerstone for regulatory adherence, emphasizing our collective responsibility. The FDA's Bio-Research Monitoring Program undertakes a multitude of inspections each year, encompassing compliance evaluations for clinical investigators and sponsors. This rigorous oversight is essential for reinforcing the trustworthiness of research data, fostering a culture of integrity within the industry. In detailing the Good Clinical Practice (GCP) inspection process, the presentation accentuates the strategic selection of inspection sites and the collaborative roles of various divisions dedicated to ensuring compliance in clinical research. This multifaceted approach is vital to uphold high standards. The FDA employs an innovative site selection tool, utilizing an algorithm that evaluates sites based on critical metrics such as enrollment efficiency and instances of protocol deviations. This sophisticated tool greatly enhances our capacity to target sites that warrant inspection, contributing to robust compliance. However, the site selection process is inherently complex as it requires a thorough analysis of various elements, including the severity of protocol deviations and their potential implications for efficacy data. This complexity necessitates seamless collaboration with statisticians, reinforcing the collaborative spirit of our industry. The focus of inspections lies in assuring that each study adheres to the predetermined protocol and federal regulations, encompassing eligibility criteria, consent processes, and data verification. Such diligence is essential for preserving the integrity and quality of clinical trials. Continual communication with review divisions facilitates prompt feedback on inspection outcomes, which can profoundly influence statistical analyses and guide ensuing inspections. This dynamic exchange of information is crucial for the operational efficiency of our research endeavors. In instances where significant issues emerge during inspections, the review process may extend to additional clinical investigator sites. This step is paramount to ensuring that any widespread issues receive comprehensive scrutiny across multiple locations, thereby safeguarding the research process. Following inspections, 3 primary compliance classifications are established: no action indicated, voluntary action indicated, and official action indicated. A clear understanding of these classifications not only clarifies the outcomes, but also delineates the expected actions that follow the inspection. Inspections that highlight adherence to protocols underscore the paramount importance of precision in clinical trials. These evaluations can yield significant recommendations aimed at enhancing data management practices, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. The critical roles of clinical investigators and sponsors cannot be overstated in maintaining data integrity. Their commitment to adhering to protocols and safeguarding sensitive information is essential in upholding the standards expected in our field. Furthermore, contemporaneous data entry stands as a linchpin for ensuring the accuracy of clinical assessments. Any delays can create discrepancies, stirring doubts about the data's validity and casting shadows over the research integrity. Reports and referrals generated from various sources, including FDA personnel and institutional review boards, play a pivotal role in identifying compliance issues. These insights serve as a foundation for addressing serious instances of noncompliance effectively. The inspection process encompasses a series of methodical steps, including pre-announcement and comprehensive documentation review. A site that is well prepared, armed with the necessary resources, can significantly enhance the inspection experience. After an inspection, clinical investigators are afforded the opportunity to address the observations recorded in the FDA Form 483. A prompt and thorough response to these findings can notably influence the final compliance decision, showcasing a commitment to rectification. By grouping similar inspectional observations, we can streamline the response process, facilitating a cohesive corrective action plan (CAPA) for each specific issue. This systematic approach not only enhances efficiency, but ensures that compliance concerns are addressed comprehensively. The final classification of inspections hinges upon deliberation from the center, taking into account various factors, such as objectionable conditions and related inspections. This classification process is instrumental in ensuring consistency and thoroughness in the regulatory landscape. Common regulatory violations often pose significant risks to participant safety and data integrity, leading to far-reaching consequences. Inspections revealing such violations are meticulously classified, and consequent enforcement actions, such as warning letters, serve to uphold standards. The role of blinded assessors remains crucial for preserving objectivity in efficacy assessments. However, it is imperative that access to safety data is judiciously controlled to prevent bias, ensuring the integrity of the outcomes we strive for. The FDA's challenge in conclusively determining whether corrective actions can avert future violations underscores the importance of meticulous documentation and effective training among site personnel. This compliance training emerges as a fundamental pillar for maintaining standards. The evolving landscape of clinical trials, marked by globalization and heightened complexity, demands adaptive regulatory strategies to ensure ongoing compliance with GCP standards. Recognizing these shifts is vital for the successful management of clinical trials. Remote regulatory assessments, RRAs, have emerged as a transformative approach for compliance evaluations, particularly during the pandemic when traditional inspections face limitations. This methodology not only enhances safety, but also optimizes cost efficiency. The insights gleaned by the FDA during the pandemic significantly shaped the guidance on RRAs, underscoring their importance in maintaining regulatory oversight while addressing pressing public health concerns. This adaptability reflects the evolving nature of our regulatory practices. It is essential to recognize the distinct differences between mandatory and voluntary RRAs, particularly concerning legal authority and participation requirements. A clear grasp of these distinctions is crucial for establishments aiming to comply with FDA regulations effectively. Throughout the regulatory assessments, the FDA meticulously requests and reviews records, frequently leveraging cloud file sharing or live video streams to bolster communication. This innovative approach fosters efficient data gathering, enhancing interaction with stakeholders. The RA process culminates in a closeout meeting where the FDA articulates its findings and establishments are encouraged to respond to any documented observations. This encourages a collaborative environment, fostering a continuous pathway for improvement. Preparation for an RA is of paramount importance, relying on dedicated teams and organized documentation to facilitate thorough FDA reviews. Clear communication regarding specific requests is essential for ensuring a smooth and efficient process. The FDA actively collaborates with various international bodies to promote the sharing of information and best practices related to good clinical practices. Such partnerships are instrumental in streamlining inspection processes on a global scale. Through observational and joint inspections, international regulators glean invaluable insights into one another's practices. This collaborative experience fosters a deeper understanding of diverse regulatory environments, enriching our collective knowledge. Innovative trial designs, which incorporate real-world data and digital health technologies, are proving essential for evaluating compliance. These advancements not only address the reliability, but also enhance the integrity of clinical trial data. The FDA has disseminated guidance on decentralized trials, emphasizing flexibility in investigator inspections to accommodate the unique characteristics of these studies. Such guidance is pivotal for ensuring ongoing compliance. The increasing reliance on remote regulatory assessments by the FDA mirrors the changes unfolding within the clinical trial landscape, particularly in the wake of the pandemic. This evolution aims to bolster oversight efficiency while fostering innovation. As we look to the future, maintaining flexibility and efficiency emerges as a key objective for FDA oversight options. This ensures that regulatory decisions are well-informed while maximizing the resources available, signaling a transformative shift in regulatory approaches. In determining whether to proceed with inspections or regulatory assessments, the FDA carefully evaluates risk-based factors and specific operational requirements unique to each clinical trial. This targeted approach ensures that oversight is customized to fit the context of the trial. Investigators tasked with conducting regulatory assessments also share the responsibility for on-site inspections, merging their insights from both realms. This holistic integration is vital for maintaining consistency and quality within our oversight processes. Data integrity and informed consent emerge as critical focal points during clinical trials, often challenged by issues such as late consenting or failure to track optional procedures. Adhering to sound documentation practices is essential for ensuring compliance and safeguarding participant rights. Corrective action plans, CAPA, should accompany responses to observations noted in Form 483, clearly delineating actions taken to rectify any non-compliance issues. This meticulous review process is vital for the FDA to assess all documentation in tandem. While addressing observations after inspections is crucial, tackling potential non-compliance issues as they arise during inspections can preempt formal notation of such issues. This proactive stance illustrates our commitment to compliance and continuous improvement. A deep understanding of decentralized trial structures proves essential for effective FDA oversight. Implementing sound risk management and precise documentation practices is crucial for ensuring data integrity throughout these innovative trials. Furthermore, the significance of effective communication among stakeholders in clinical trials cannot be overstated. This alignment fosters clarity of objectives and expectations, ultimately enriching our understanding of trial goals and methodologies. The FDA provides an array of tools for trial sponsors, enabling them to select the most appropriate monitoring methods tailored to their specific trial designs and associated risks. This adaptability is vital for ensuring that the highest standards of oversight are maintained. In closing, we reaffirm the importance of collaboration in the realm of clinical drug development. Participants are urged to integrate the insights gained from this session into their ongoing projects, fostering a spirit of innovation and advancement in our industry.